this is Eminem Gaming here. Welcome back to another episode of Paintball. Okay, hold on, Nathan. Can you protect me? I had to switch texture packs because I'm lagging too much. Okay, sorry guys. I just wanted to test out using facts, except it's way too laggy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, shoot, now this is, got fragged. Oh, is that a fragger? No, it's not fragging. Oh, shoot, why do I keep hitting people in our team? I know. What the heck? Okay, anyway, welcome back to another episode. Yeah. Welcome back to another episode of Paintball. This is Eminem Gaming here, and we're using the anime players mod. Look at me. Beautiful. You see my animated eyebrows. That's my animated eyebrows, by the way, and my animated mouth. You can see my beautiful animated mouth. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Red team. What? 3 guys just killed me. Okay, that's good. Come play MC. Come play MC. Come play MC. You killed me. You killed me. Ah, no. Keep getting fragged. Really? Oh no, this guy's spawn camping. Are you serious? This guy's freaking spawn camping me? I killed him. Okay, Nathan's gonna be right back. I lost. Why am I wearing a yellow suit of leatheriness? Anyway, yeah, this is default. Summer starting. I hope you guys have a really great summer, cause you know summer's great, and right now school literally just ended this day, so. Okay, I was just telling them about the last day of school. Ah, Poplet! Man, Poplet is killing me. Man, this guy's good. Ah. Oh shoot, no, that's him. What team are you in? Yeah? Guy keeps killing me though. I think doing about 3 rounds. Wait, hold on. So how many minutes do you think I have been recording? 5 minutes? Okay, so I'll record another 10 minutes. Okay, I have a timer on now. So I'll be able to see whenever, stuff happens. So, how are you excited about the end of the year? Are you excited about the end of the year? So are you excited about the end of the year, Robert? Well, you're the one who's wearing like a troll face mask. Okay, look at me. I'm just running through a spider web. Anyway, I'm gonna try to record a little bit more frequently. Just a little bit more. Not too much. What team are you on? Oh, that's GG. Yeah. Dana boy! Dana boy! Ah, I'm gonna die. Okay, let's go. my team. Poop you, you guys. Toddy, 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 toddy. Where are you? Where are you? Let's get. Red Danny! We're freaking Red Danny! Oh, I see. Oh, you just died. Dude, I'm coming. Dude, I'm coming to your rescue. I died. It's the end, right? So I hope you guys have a really, really good summer, by the way. I'm probably going to say that at the outro, but too. Look at my mad eyes. Okay, I guess we'll just play one more round of paintball, and then we'll call it a day. I'm trying to make an episode a day. Trying to, like, shift around, so maybe, like, I'm trying to put together a schedule. It's really what we feel like recording, right? Yeah. Wow, I've attacked 44 of my teammates.
What? I died? I'm lost.
Yeah, your match starts soon. I died a long time ago. So this is SkyCraft. You know, I want some monetization to the server because it's a very, very nice server. Right. Cause if I don't, then tomorrow it'll. What team am I on? Okay. What team are you on? Oh, hi. Oh, I was fragged. I'm sorry. Oh wait, someone's here. Ah! Does he have like a bunch of upgrades or something? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I can buy tons of snipers. Alright. How much money? Okay, what can I buy? I can buy a pump gun. Crap! People are spawn camping me! Oh my crap! Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh! Stop freaking killing me, bro! I'm trying to buy some stuff. Oh, are you serious? Why do people keep doing that to me? Well, anyway, so I hope you guys have a great summer. And, we'll be back for some more episodes, right? Yeah, so, I'll see you guys tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow. Alright, bros.